Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to grill this marinated picanha. It's time to grill. So we have already grilled picanha classic style on a rotisserie. We have grilled sous vide picanha. We have grilled several times picanha. So today it's all about the marinated picanha, grilling it as a whole roast. So there you go. We're gonna get started with a marinade made of spring onions, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, white wine vinegar, freshly ground black pepper, and fresh ground salt. You will also need some parsley, some habanero, and some jalapeños. If you're not sure with the heat, just take less of that. This is a little bit hot, but this is how I like it. Of course, I will put the exact amount of ingredients into the video description. You can check it out, and if you want to grill this recipe as well, you can just have a look in there. So these are the jalapeños without the seeds, and one habanero yellow one without the seeds as well. So this is a Thermomix. We're gonna mix it. If you don't have that, you can use any other mixer that you have at home. Works good. So this is my picanha. This is 1.4 kilogram of American beef picanha. It really has a nice fat cap. I will show you by taking this out of the packaging. This is from my favorite online butchery, gourmetfleisch.de. I will put a link into the video description so you can check out sizes and prices in Europe, in Germany here, if you are interested. So we're going to take some paper towel, we're going to dry this one, and then we set it in a bowl, and then we add the marinade. But make sure not to take all the marinade. We're going to need someone for later on, because we will baste the roast while grilling later on with the marinade. So that's it. We're gonna put this in the fridge for approximately 4 till 6 hours, and this is the part we have to save for the basting later on. So 6 hours are gone, and this is the marinated picanha. And yeah, easy peasy if you have more than one grill. So today this is kind of a cooperation. We're going to get started with the Broil King Imperial Gas Grill. We have preheated this one full power, and as you can see here, the marinated starts dripping into the flames, and that's exactly what we want today. Make sure not to burn this one, but the drippings really make a good flavor for the picanha. So it's just the goal to have it completely seared from all sides. So we're going to start with the grill with a fat cap face down. So that's the reason why we have some flames going on. These will soon stop after giving it a turn. So you can already see some great colors here on top. And oh man, I wish you could smell that. So make sure, if you want to grill this one, to have it grilled completely all sides, and all parts should have contact with the direct heat here. And after grilling this bad boy on direct heat, we're gonna put this on the GMG pellet grill and let it add some wood smoke, low and slow, 80 degrees Celsius. That's the heat of the grill right now. And we're gonna add our picanha like so. We're gonna put in the probes from our new Grill Eye Pro. You might have seen the unboxing video several days ago. I really like this thing. So that's 11 degrees Celsius right now. We are headed for 54 till 56 degrees Celsius. So close the lid, and after some hour, another 1.5 hour or so, we're gonna take some of that saved marinade and we're gonna marinate it again. So this adds extra flavor, and I marinated about 3 times, and I gave it a twist every here and there, so you have it marinated from all sides. So total cooking time all in all until we have reached the 56 degrees Celsius was 2.5 till 2 3/3. So that's the result. I really like the color, and boy, look how juicy that is. Wow, amazing. And it is a great combination of the marinade. The heat comes through a little bit. We have some parsley flavor, and of course we have some wood flavor, but not too much. The flavor of the picanha also turns out pretty good. So here's the result. I hope you like this idea. Please feel free to tag me on Instagram if you have grilled something out of my library here. We take just one slice, we add some salt, cut it into smaller slices, and then I'm gonna give this a shot right now. Please make sure to subscribe to 0815 Barbecue if you haven't subscribed yet. We're seeing us again in the upcoming days. We have some more cool video recipes to come, I promise. So make sure to hit that like button, leave me a comment, share it with your family and your friends. Thanks for watching, I'm out, see you!